We have like the product was now assist for ITSM, for example. And so you're in your incidents. What it could do is it's not tier 0 yet, but your agents, your physical individual human agents are answering or responding to tickets, but it's bringing them information like, hey, the last ticket like that was answered this way,
Yeah.
or, is giving some predictive guidance from
Mhm.
history. It was helping them write closure notes. It was saying, hey, here's a KB article. Do you like this? And so you can publish it pretty quickly, where they hate to write public,
Mhm.
hate writing
Mhm.
things,
Yeah.
right? But to me, it's like taking real stuff that's going on and letting them vet it and use it and then appropriately apply it, hopefully.
Mhm.
And now you're building a clean system for like 6 months or a year. And now your tier 0 to me is cleaned up or is cleaner. You know what I mean? Because you've used AI of what it was going to tell it, and you're kind of teaching AI, okay, no, that's not important. This is important. This is what will apply.